So 9 to 5 Warriors is a 90s inspired toy line that aims to recapture the magic of the Saturday morning cartoon era. So when it came to the action figures, it was important to me to retain that authenticity. And today, the way the toys are made, they're usually done by 3D sculptors. Unfortunately, going the hand sculpted route leaves me with a couple issues like fixing articulation or making any alterations. Thankfully, I found 3D Chimera.
So 3D scanning is an incredible technology. We can digitize things from tiny coins and gemstones all the way up to airplanes, and we've actually done all of those kinds of projects before. And so we chose structured light technology. In this technology, we're using a three-dimensional pattern that's projected onto the object, and we look at that pattern, and through that, the computer is able to interpret that 3D data in extremely high detail.
When I worked with them in the studio, it was pretty awesome to see it come to life. They captured all the details that Scott put in, and then I had a workable file, which is the key. This is a lifelong dream that's finally coming true, and I can't thank 3D Chimera enough. It's been an absolute honor to work with them, and I'm excited to expand the 9 to 5 Warriors series line.